Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to link Spotify on Discord. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so first things first, go to your Discord and then go to your account settings at the bottom left corner. Once you're here, look for connection settings. Inside, you can see a bunch of applications that you can link to your Discord. So choose Spotify right here. Now it's best to sign in your Spotify in your default browser first, or if you have Spotify app, make sure that you're logged in as well. Okay, so once you click Spotify, it will show you this message right here. Just hit agree. And as you can see, you're finally connected to Spotify. Now there's two toggles options right here. The first one is display on profile. Now these settings will allow all of your friends to see your Spotify on your Discord account. And the second one, display Spotify as status. If you're using Spotify, your friends can also see that you're using Spotify. I'm just gonna leave them on like this. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.